Secretary ka AICC ubak kami ya kejala Manish Chatrat hakalai tarik ujelia ulapan pau bakaseng Kongres kan penyang kertong habaro andre poltuli ki constituency bat ka kami lenti babuan ki kertong kin job ya ki election. Kaseng Kongres kan sapan krek ru ya ka Chargesheet pyrshah ya ka sorkar MDA kabalai alam da kaseng NPP kabala buon da ki kambam sap sudah. Manish ulaong Bakaseng Kongres kalayat syakmat ban penklan bat ban penkre yaki election MLA ban wan bat kaseng Kongres kan penyang kertong habaru handre poltuli ki constituency jong kejela. Ulong bat la kiladon ki MLA ki bela mikno bat don ki bela sa sospon hakaseng handrai ki labun pat ki beriu ki lapen pawi ke jingtrang ban penyasok no eladia bat kaseng Kongres bat kaseng ka commitmenti babun ki kertong ki jongka kin job yaki election. Manish Chatrat ulong kaseng Kongres kam nget hakaban pendon kam ya kabor pisa ne ban le don bor hendrai ka nget hakabor ba ke jing e jong pat ba bat ken sapen e ya kane hakapor ba ki le them ya ki vote.
Party is not only of legislators. Party is basically party comes from the organization. And then you become corporators, you become MDCs, you become MLAs. Definitely you're right. They have left. Those who have left, and some were expelled also, suspended also. So now, as elections are approaching in next 7 to 8 months, we have our own strategy in place, and there will be few surprises. A lot of people are wanting to join also, but as of now, let's keep it as a surprise only. As a political party, as a oldest political party in the country, I would say, we are going to fight all the 60 seats. And we will ensure we get the majority.
When do we expect that the Congress party will declare the list of the candidates who will contest in the next MLA election?
So we have a process. We have a Pradesh election committee at the state level. Then we have an election which goes to the PCC. They'll have their meetings. They'll pick up names. They'll shortlist some names. Then they'll send those names to All India Congress Committee, where there will be a 4 or 5 member screening committee consisting of one chairman, 1 or 2 members, and in charge, and PCC president. All this is after the elections are announced, or maybe 10-15 days before that. And then it goes to the Central Election Committee, which is a apex body of the Congress for selecting the candidates. So this is the process, and we go by the process only.
Karbau Presiden ke MPCC uba Vincent Pala ulong kajing temu kajong banyakunik election MLA hakasnam arajar arpaulai kadai namar bakumu Presiden ke MPCC udai banyalam nakmat bat ulong ka Kongres kam jurai lupa manu banlong menteri rangba ndrai kan sesim ya karai hadin. Uba pala ulong ke Kongres kadang penkre ban pynmih ya ka Chargesheet pyrshah ya ka sorkar MDA halor kimat bapher bat ulong ke sorkar jela kala pulom hakaban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan ke jingjur ke kambam sam ke jing penyang kerdop ke sorkar jela bat ke district council hakaleng ke surok ke jing pyrshah jur ya ka an khalai laki balang bapher bat kiwei.
I am preparing to fight election because I thought that as a president, I should lead from the front. So that who should be a chief minister, that normally a party, we don't decide before the election. But I'm fighting election because I thought that I should lead from the front and I should set an example. Though I'm very happy to be an MP, but at the same time, we have to look also at the state. So my decision to fight election is not my decision alone. All my friends suggested to me that you should also fight an election. See, a Chargesheet we will do. We are preparing. We already set a committee on manifesto, set a committee on all different issues. I think normally all these Chargesheet will be issued to the public once the election is set. So until unless the election is announced, we don't know when the elections will be there. So once the election is announced, then activities to release all the Chargesheet will be there. As of now, we are aware that the election will be normally in the month of February. So we are preparing ourselves. Today's meeting is part of the process of preparation for the coming election.
I will answer this. I had told this earlier also. Some people had some problem with specific person. But Mr. Pala has not come from Delhi. You all have to understand. He has been in the cabinet in the Government of India, Union Government of India, number 1. And he is a third time MP. So you don't become an MP like this. In spite of we getting less number of seats in 2019, he still ensured out of those 52 seats which we got, and he was one of the victorious candidates. So he is not anybody coming from Delhi. He is the man of Meghalaya. He is your own man. Our DNA of the Congress party is not to demean anybody. We are not like that. Somebody who is gone, we wish them luck also. We are not against anybody. That was their choice. But now we are organizing ourselves. We have good people, we have good faces, we have good talent, and we have a good solid organization as compared to any other party in the state. So we don't need to worry, they need to worry.